Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
For this install, you will first need to remove the airbox. Firstly, disconnect the sensor on the left side of the airbox. You will need to remove the oil filler extension. There is a clip underneath to release this. Disconnect the sensor on the pipe at the right of the airbox and loosen the Jubilee clip. Remove the cold air feed pipe at the left of the airbox. You should now be able to lift the airbox up and slide it out. We can now access the rail pressure sensor. The rail pressure sensor is located here. The boost sensor is located here. Remove the rail connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. Connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Remove the boost connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Replace all removed engine components. Connect the unit to the wiring loom. Start the engine and ensure the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions. Place the unit in the supplied protective bag. Route the unit and harness away from direct heat and moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring loom with the cable ties provided. If you have any questions, please contact us.